Alright, y'all. We finna make some chicken and dumplings. We'll start off, we're gonna make some chicken stock. We got some chicken quarters in here. We got, I don't know, 5 or 6 chicken quarters in there. What we got in there is what we got in there. Y'all know I don't do the measurements, so.
Until it looks right.
That's right. Do it till it looks right. Gonna put a little seasoning salt in there. We're gonna put a little onion powder in there. We're not gonna put no onions in there, because who wants onions in their chicken and dumplings?
Me.
And don't nobody want bell pepper in their chicken and dumplings either.
Or celery.
Yeah.
Or carrots.
We don't want none of that in there. Maybe carrots. Carrots might be good. No, we ain't put carrots in there. We're gonna put some garlic in there. Just a smidge of garlic. Some of this chicken and herbs and spices stuff. I'm gonna throw one of them off in there too. Probably a couple. We cooking it on high. Give it a little stir around, get them seasonings flipped over and stuff. This chicken quarter right here might be a teenager. It don't want to cooperate. Alright, we're gonna go wash that because we got raw chicken all over. I'm gonna put a little more seasoning salt on this side. We're just gonna let it cook for a minute. We're gonna keep letting it cook, but we're gonna go on and add some water on it, because it's really supposed to boil if you make it stock. And we're gonna add just enough water to cover the chicken.
Which is gonna be more than that.
Just a little bit more than that. And just barely enough water to cover it. We ain't gonna cover the tallest parts of it. Matter of fact, we might just leave it just like that right there and let it boil. We'll see y'all in a little bit. See how to a good boil and stir it around a little bit. Make sure you get all that's on the top unexposed. Get it exposed to that water so you can boil this chicken and get all the flavors out of it. I'm gonna take this chicken out of here. We finna debone it. We finna just let our stock stay warm over here. I'm gonna turn it down. Just let the flavors just blend in. And then we're gonna go over here and make some dumplings and debone some chicken.
Alright, we finna get the stock because stock makes dumplings taste better than water. We need about a cup, just like we would using milk to make biscuits. Which
and
is
you need to
basically
put
what
it in.
we're doing.
You need to put it in the bowl that is hardest to get to.
Alright, so there's that broth. I shouldn't have done that. Now I gotta get another utensil and dirt it up so I can get out the shortening. And about a third of a cup, probably 2/3 of a cup because we do want a double batch. That's about a third of a cup right there. About 2/3 a cup. Close it. And then we're gonna mix this up. And this is gonna make it easier than your biscuit dough. If you've seen that video. If you haven't, go check it out. Because it's hot, it's going to melt the shortening a little bit. Make it softer, easier to combine. Shortening on the side. Gotta get that in there. I'm shortening on my fingers.
You got a spoon right there.
Yeah. That's that spoon's problem.
Just to scrape the side of the bowl, goofball.
That's a spoon problem. All right, we got it looking like this. I gotta get flour. About 4 cups of flour, probably. Slowly combine it. You don't add it all at once. We mix it up. Looks like pancake batter.
Don't smell like it though.
No, smells like yum. That would be 3 cups of flour.
Around about.
Yeah, around about 3 cups of flour. We don't do exact measurements here. Unless we're making banana pudding. Go check out that video if you have that.
That's how you make your dumpling dough.
Yeah.
We got the chickens deboned, and we threw the bones and skin back in here to strengthen up the stock some more. We're just gonna let that cook down until those bones and skin are completely done, and then we're gonna strain them out and start making chicken. Oh, we got it strained, got all the bones out of it, and we're gonna add some water to it and more seasoning. I about cooked all the water out of it. That looks like a decent amount of water.
Looks like you used some more.
Add a little more seasoning to it. A little bit more garlic.
Like if we're using the canned chicken and dumplings, I will straight up just add a bunch of pepper and then it tastes like regular chicken and dumplings. It's all in the pepper. I like pepper a little bit.
That's black pepper though. It's not like red pepper. And just a few parsley flakes. We don't want a whole bunch of parsley flakes, just a few.
You sure that's enough?
I think.
A little bit of butter.
Just a little bit of butter. I just put a whole stick. Got it boiling. I'm gonna drop a little bit of flour in there just to thicken it up. Yes. I'm gonna just put a little flour in there. That'll help thicken it up some. My daughter has rolled these dumplings out and cut them up with a pizza cutter.
Which is completely unnecessary. Completely optional.
We finna throw them in there.
Gotta make sure it ain't gonna stick together. Like best friends forever.
Let y'all see us throw a few of them in there. Just drop them.
Hot.
They'll splash up and get your finger.
Or you can be smart and gently lower them down.
And we'll get back with y'all when we get all these dumplings in here. We got all the dumplings in there. And we're gonna
Yes, it is as much as it looks
we're
like.
gonna add our halfway cooked chicken back to it. I about to add a bowl and everything. You don't want to put your bowl in there, just the chicken.
Because then you'll have glass shards in it if you're using a glass bowl like we are.
That is slippery.
We don't let it slip.
I'm gonna let it slip. Then put that chicken all back in there. Give it a good stir around. And we're gonna let it cook until that chicken's done. Once that chicken's done, we'll have chicken and dumplings, y'all. This takes a while to make, by the way. Been working on it for about 2 hours. And that, once they come to a boil, You want to taste them and see if they are the right texture. Make sure your chicken's done. And make sure the flavors are right. Season the taste. That's how you make chicken and dumplings. That little bowl ain't gonna work. Almost there. Close. There's a bowl for my children. One of them. You can put away some chicken and dumplings. We'll see y'all on the next video. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Say something at the bottom of these videos. Say some words.